Pickens, South Carolina. We have made it. Pickens, South Carolina track. And as you can see, the setup, it's officially 1 o'clock in the morning. So let's get this shit unloaded. Unlock the side door. Because this is going to be open to Mars. And then get this back open. Yep, I think it's good. So we good. Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel. We up here in Pickens, South Carolina, at the Pickens track. It's about 1:30 in the morning. As you can see, I'm in my uniform from work, and we just now got here where I got the trailer unloaded. As you can see, the lights are on. Got the generator plugged up and got my bed already situated. But we're gonna do limited prep, and I think that's the only thing we're gonna do. I brought both cars just in case, the R1 and the other one. And then be racing all day tomorrow. And then Sunday, I gotta be at work at 5 o'clock in the daggone morning. So I'm gonna be driving 2 hours and 45 minutes back to the house to where I can get back to work on Sunday morning and get that shift situated. So that's gonna be some overtime. And I think our next race is Rock Hill on the 30th. And then June comes around, and I think June, if I'm not mistaken, has 3 races, which is, I believe, Charlotte, Pickens again, and then the one up in Georgia. And like I said, we're getting ready for that. I'm going to try my daggum hardest to bring home that win up in Georgia. I'm sure y'all been keeping up with it on the Ghost car, which is a limited prep car. Yeah, I've got that son of a gun going like it was last weekend. I done a 168 at 88 miles an hour and backed it up with a 69. So hopefully I can get this son of a gun quicker today, bring home the win, gather up some money, go to work, get ready for June, do them races, and go to Georgia. But other than that, I'm gonna get some sleep, wake up at 7 in the morning, and go to racing. So have at it. Yep.
believe it or not, going airborne tears up a little less shit than dipping something dead blunt flat.
Stuff like that.
We'll have to raise 209. Hold on.
Under reaction time.
Oh, under reaction time. Where are you at? Reaction time 170 now. I gotta raise that bumper up.
That one at the bottom is your VT and your reaction time added together.
Oh, I was about to say 209. That looked faster.
Driver ready? Freeze hot. I'm on a cog, trying to get away from it. Drivers ready? Freeze hot. Spin it.
You good?
I'm on a cog, I'm trying to get off of it. Drivers ready? Freeze hot. Let me go back.
77. Now I gotta do the walk of shame because it's up in the ditch.
What you doing? Cooking you a patty and fries on the dashboard?
Huh? Yeah.
So you cooking you a patty?
Yeah. Ain't nothing better than a dang dash burger.
Driver ready? Freeze hot. Driver ready? Freeze hot.
Man, I'm stuck. 79. I'm stuck.
Driver ready? Freeze hot.
Damn, 90?
Yeah. I got let me run me. Driver ready? Freeze hot. Oh, hold on there. All right, ready now?
Yeah.
Freeze hot.
All right, Playboy.
Good luck, man.
Drivers ready? Freeze hot.
Right lane in, left lane cross.
And I went out into the daggum thing. We back just like last time. Back in the bushes on the first round. Oh. Need to lower that bar. I couldn't turn. I think I got the bar too dang high. I couldn't turn it out.
Drivers ready? Freeze hot.
Damn it.
Driver ready? Freeze hot. Alright. Driver ready? Freeze hot. There you go.
Right where you need to be?
No,
No.
that's actually really slow.
It needs to be about a 140.
I think I got a tire.
Drivers ready?
I told you. Yay!
What you trying to do? Go catch him?
I guess so. I can't keep it in the lane today.
Glazed like a donut.
Just don't eat it.
You got too many low-C parts, ain't you?
Time to take this bad boy apart. No, I'm good. It's time to take it apart.
Yeah, yeah. It's one of the ones. Let go.